व्यवस्थित हो। नागरिक तभी व्यवस्थित होगा जब उसका बचपन जोश भरा हो। तो हमारे बच्चों में कितना जोश है, सुनते हैं गुंजन की इस वीर रस की कविता में।
Idea to make aware that education is for life. We want that education by which character is formed, mental abilities are sharpened, the intellect is expanded, by which one can stand on one's own feet.
में जगाएंगे हम, घर घर अलख जगाएंगे हम, बदलेंगे जमाना, हम बदलेंगे जमाना। निश्चय हमारा ध्रुव सा अटल है, काया की रग रग में निष्ठा का बल है। जागृति शंख बजाएंगे हम, बदलेंगे जमाना, हम बदलेंगे जमाना। शंख से बनाएंगे माटी को सोना, जीवन बनेगा उपवन सलोना। घर घर अलख जगाएंगे हम, बदलेंगे जमाना, हम बदलेंगे जमाना। इस कविता के कवि श्री राम शर्मा जी इस कविता के माध्यम से घर घर में शिक्षा और संस्कार का अलख जगाकर जन जन में प्रगति का सैलाब लाना चाहते हैं। धन्यवाद।
You are also of the same opinion. As we have promised, we continue to keep you smiling. So, we will shake you a little bit more with our English skit. Don't use before shake.
जी हाँ, अधूरा ज्ञान खतरा है जान। अरे भाई, डॉक्टर ने क्या हिला दिया? भैया जरा संभल के, आपका ध्यान किधर है जनाब? आइए देखें, हंसते हंसते ये बच्चे हमें क्या बता रहे हैं और क्या सिखा रहे हैं।
Look, someone is locking the door. Go and see, my son.
Okay, brother. Okay, father. Oh, doctor. Good morning, doctor. You're most welcome.
Good morning, doctor. Good. Good morning, doctor. Oh, doctor, you come and sit, my dear. How are you? I am quite well, but I was still worried about my children.
Why? You have such a tall, smart, handsome son. There is nothing to worry.
Oh, doctor, but it's my bad luck. I am having two tall, smart, handsome sons, but they all are nonsense.
What are you saying? Are you mad?
No, doctor, it is the only truth fact of my life.
What? Oh God, it's unbelievable. Anyway, no excuse me. I want to leave now. Take my visiting card. Take my visiting card. Take my visiting card if in case you can need it.
Okay, doctor, thanks for coming. Son, please go and send off the doctor.
Okay, father.
Oh, but no, my son. Immediately take me to the doctor. My friend doctor.
Brother, come and call all our brothers. We have to take him to the doctor immediately.
Yes, brother. Brother, come. Our father was sleeping. He is not uttering a word. We have to take him to the doctor.
Where is tractor? Where is tractor?
Oh dear, not tractor. It is doctor. Doctor.
Doctor. Doctor!
What happened? Everything is fine. Are you okay?
No, doctor, father was not responding. See?
Don't worry. Let me see. Look, son, take this syrup and give it 3 times a day.
Yes.
Listen carefully. Say well before giving to your father.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. Doctor. Oh, brother, let's take our father. It's time for first dose.
Okay, brother. Come and hold our father properly. Now start shaking. We have shaken him well.
No, my son. Don't do like this. No. Oh, brother. But you have not given the syrup.
No, I have given the syrup.
But you have not taken it.
I have taken it.
How have you taken?
Brother, come and hold the doctor and shake him well.
Stop this nonsense. What nonsense? Stop.
Leave.
What nonsense? I have not told you to shake your father. I have told you to shake the syrup.
Oh no! Oh no! What we have done? We have lost our father because of our nonsense. So while giving the medicine to any patient, we must use our common sense. Thank you.
Jaan Khatra is Jaan, and this skit was performed under the guidance by Charumati and Sanju Sharma. Now I request respected Sani sir to shower the blessing to the blooming birds. Please, sir.
श्रीमती पी चतुर्वेदी जी, headmistress, JV, ladies and gentlemen, dear students and sweet kids. I am delighted to be here today in this pleasant and very wonderful annual day celebration. The annual reports and these cultural programs which we have enjoyed indicates that under the very dynamic leadership, administration, dedication and guidance of Srimati P. Chaturvedi ji, headmistress, the school is marching in the right direction, and we hope, and I am very much confident, then in times to come, this will be one of the wonderful schools in this region. And because these small kids, this is the future of our country, and it depends upon these schools, teachers, staff, how they are shaping them to become a very good citizens and future leaders of our country. So I wish them all the success in their new endeavors. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Use your common sense, Asa. Look, everyone is in tension. Oh, you are also in tension? It has become a world of tension.
Tension, 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 tension. Students, what is your tension? Examination, examination, examination. All the time examination. Tension, 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 tension. Ma'am, what is your problem? Correction, correction, correction. All the time correction. Tension, 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 tension. Ma'am, what is your problem? Administration, administration, administration. Only administration. tension, 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 tension.
Mr. Athlete, what is your problem? Competition, competition, competition. Only competition.
Tension, 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 tension.
नेताजी जिंदाबाद, नेताजी जिंदाबाद, नेताजी जिंदाबाद.
Tension, tension.
Netaji, what is your tension? Election, election, election. Only election.
Tension, 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 tension.
Indians, what is your problem? Inflation, inflation, inflation. Only inflation.
Tension, 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 tension.
Mother Earth, what is your problem? Pollution, pollution, pollution. Everywhere pollution.
Tension, 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 tension.
Guruji, what is the solution of all these problems? Meditation, meditation, meditation. Only meditation. इस पे नहीं है।
सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल 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 हो. जल मंगल हो, नभ मंगल हो, पृथ्वी का कण कण मंगल हो. सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल 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 हो. चित मंगल हो, मति मंगल हो, भक्ति का क्षण क्षण मंगल हो. सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल हो, सब मंगल 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 हो. सब मंगल 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 हो. सब मंगल 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 हो.
Yes, if you want to be healthy, practice yoga daily. This was the message given by our children to you all.
Yes, we have found a solution for this tension during this evening of Muskan. Just we forget to live and always in tension, tension, tension. Why don't we follow our gurus who have blessed us with meditation. Let us imbibe the habit of meditation to live longer without any stress.
हो आजकल प्लास्टिक बैग बनकर पेपर बैग का इस्तेमाल होने लगा है। पेड़ लगाने की शिक्षा शुरू से ही सब बच्चों को दी जाती है। पर्यावरण प्रदूषण मुक्त हो, यही हम सब चाहते हैं। हर तरफ गो ग्रीन का शोर है, तो हम भी कुछ करते हैं और इस मोर्चे में शामिल। नारा यही है हम सबका नारा। तालियों से स्वागत।
हाँ, you have relieved from a great tension. So, let us join the rhythm of life. A poem by Jivesh Mishra, How to Come Over Global Warming. As we said previously, we are the future of the nation. Who can find a solution?
ये पैगाम कुदरत का है, ये पैगाम मिला है हमको वरदान, मिला है हमको वरदान। पेड़ों का संदेश सुनाने आया हूँ आप सबके सामने, आया हूँ आप सबके सामने। मत काटो कहते हैं वे, सोचो क्या क्या देते हम तुम्हें। ताज़ी हवा, कपड़े, भोजन, क्या रह सकते हो इनके बिन। हम ना होते पानी ना गिरता, पानी बिन जीवन ना होता। मेघा भी बोले है हमसे, पेड़ लगाओ बरस झमसे। अगर ठीक रखना है अपना हाल, तो तुम रखो हमारा ख्याल। हरे भरे ये खेत खलिहान, ये है हमारे देश की शान। मत काटो मत काटो मत काटो मत काटो। Save the trees. Thank you.
Our birthdays. Enjoying the rhythm of life, let us inculcate the habit of speaking truth. Beauty is truth. Let us have a look at this skit. Always speak truth. Truth prevails. Satyamev Jayate.
बोलना गलत बात, सत्यमेव जयते। सत्य की हमेशा जीत होती है, इसलिए हमेशा सत्य बोलो, झूठ नहीं। हमारी इस इंग्लिश स्किट में देखिए, अध्यापक एवं मम्मी मिलकर बच्चों को
Oh, Hadi, my child, stop playing and do your homework. No, Mama, my teacher has not given me any homework.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mama.
What? No homework? I will come to your school and talk to your teacher. Now it's time for school.
Good morning, sit down. Thank you, ma'am. Pooja. Yes, ma'am. Ankita. Present, teacher. Aryan. Present, ma'am. Vishal. Present, ma'am. Munendra. Present, ma'am. Honey. No, ma'am. What? Absent? Today again she is absent. Yes, ma'am.
May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, why you are not giving any homework to my child? She is coming back home without homework and classwork.
Listen, madam, listen. Your child is absent from the last 1 week. She is not coming to school. She is absent.
What? Absent? She is coming to school, Danny. If she is not coming to school, then where she is going?
Listen, watch your child confidently. Where she is wasting her time.
Okay, teacher, thank you.
She is a big liar. Oh, honey, you have come back.
Yes, Mama.
Do you have any homework?
No, Mama.
Now it's time for school. Go to school.
Good morning, children. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Sit down. Thank you, ma'am. Pooja. Yes, ma'am. Ankita. Present, ma'am. Aryan. Present, ma'am. Vishal. Present, ma'am. Munendra. Present, ma'am. Hani. Absent. Oh no. Today again she is absent. Yes, ma'am.
May I come in, teacher?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, teacher. Teacher, today again she is absent.
Yes, madam.
Teacher, what we should to do to bring her on the right path?
Idea. We will tell her that if she speak lie, then there is a weak sound. Because no one is watching her. Only God is watching her.
Okay, teacher, thank you. Oh, honey, you have come back.
Yes, Mama.
Do you have any homework?
No, Mama.
Look, child, go to school, Danny. Be true to yourself. Because no one is watching us, only God is watching us.
What? Mama, where is God?
I have listened, honey. When you will speak lie, you will hear the beep sound. Now it's time for school. Oh, honey, you have come back.
Yes, Papa.
Do you have any homework?
No, Mama. What sound is this, Mama?
Listen, honey, I have told you, if you will speak lie, then there is a beep sound.
Oh, yes.
Now it's time for school. Yes, honey, so you have seen that what we do, God is watching us.
Yes, Mama. Now I realize that God is everywhere and I never tell.
Yes, honey, my child, today I am very happy that you have realized your mistakes and trying to improve yourself. So always speak truth So always speak truth. So we should always speak truth because God is watching us. Thank you.
It was directed by Sanju and
Give honest, sincere appreciation.
शिवम, यही तो हमारे भारत की विशेषता है, अनेकता में एकता। यही तो हमारे देश को सब देशों से अलग बनाता है। कहीं लहलहाते सरसों के खेत, कहीं मस्ती भरी गरबे की रात और कहीं होली में उड़ता हुआ रंग बिरंगा गुलाल। इन सब रंगों में से 3 खूबसूरत रंगों में नाचते कूदते आ रहे हैं हमारे बच्चे।
The program, there is a fusion, that in our diversity there is a unity. This resembles India of fusion dance, art for art's sake.
प्रथम पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। प्रथम पार्वती ना पुत्र ने जानी दियो वाणी सबूने गमूरेलो। जानी दियो वाणी सबूने गमूरेलो। दीन जानी दियो वाणी सबूने गमूरेलो। दीन जानी दियो वाणी सबूने पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। माड़ी अंबा तणा चरण प्रताप तीरेलो। 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 हे मां हे मां हे निधि सिद्धिया को आप तीरेलो। नवे निधि सिद्धिया को आप तीरेलो। नवे निधि सिद्धिया को आप तीरेलो। नवे निधि सिद्धिया को आप तीरेलो। पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो। पार्वती ना पुत्र ने पाये न मूरेलो।
वालों ने नवा
कहियो रे मंगेतर से घड़िया वालो रे नवाब कहियो रे मंगेतर से
होलिया में उड़ा
तेरी मैं ता जागर राता तू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसाता तू आरे गिन गिन याद तेरी मैं ता जागर राता तू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसाता तू ओ हो 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 ओ हो हो ओ हो इश्क तेरा पावे न पावा तेरी मिठिया बातां नू मैं भुल न पावा तेरी मिठिया बातां नू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू रोक न पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नू ओ हो हो ओ हो हो ओ हो इश्क तेरा बड़ पावे ओ हो कीता मैं तां तेरियां रंगां नूं चुपला के मैं फड़िया तेरे वाल सुनदी दुनिया शावां नूं समझ ना पाई क्यों तू मेरे प्यार भरे जज्बातां नूं सिया विचों गंदियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो हो ओ हो हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे दूरी तेरी तरसा मैं मुलाकातां नूं सहना पावा दूरी तेरी तरसा मैं मुलाकातां नूं रोक ना पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं रोक ना पावा अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो हो ओ हो हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे तेरी मैं तां जागण रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिनगिनियां च तेरी मैं तां जागण रातां नूं रोक न पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं ओ हो हो ओ हो हो इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
Simi, Preeti ma'am and Rasna ma'am. They worked hard behind the curtain.
Before we come to the end of this program, last but not the least, we want to express our gratitude, our heartfelt thanks to a lot of people, lot of departments who made this a very grand success. I call Ms. Charumati to offer the vote of thanks. Thank you.
My vote of thanks to Shri Saini sir, our beloved chief guest, who gave his precious time to bless us and encourage us with the true spirit. It's our honor to have your esteemed presence on this auspicious occasion. I am equally grateful to Sri Hajela sir for his esteemed presence. I would like to extend my vote of thanks to Shri Chaturvedi sir, who is responsible for the progress of our school. I would also like to thank Captain R.J. Pandey sir, who guides us in our day-to-day activities. I would also like to extend my vote of thanks to Shri V.K. Sharma sir, I would like to extend my thanks to administration department and all HODs. I would extend my vote of thanks to principal of JJIC Dana, principal of ITI Dana, principal of Chunar. I am equally grateful to Shri Gurvinder ji, who makes us comfortable with his services. I would like to express my vote of thanks to the press, without whom we are incomplete. Thank you for giving such a good response. Yes, of course. Now I turn towards our spectators and parents who made our Muskan evening a wonderful one. Thank you so much. Once again, thank you one and all for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Those who are there, please stand up for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल